Hi friends, today we are going to learn the how to connect that MongoDB to VS Code, Visual Studio Code. First, we are going to come to the VS Code Visual Studio Code. Here, we are going to download the one extension called MongoDB, MongoDB extension. Come here, MongoDB for VS Code. Here, install this. I have installed. That's why it is showing the disable and uninstall. If you want to install this, again you can install. I have installed and reload this. Okay, see reloaded. Come to the here. Once again MongoDB for VS Code. You can type. Okay, see. Or you can come to the Google. Come to the Google. Here MongoDB extension for VS Code. Working with MongoDB in Visual Studio Code. Here, come here. See. Code. See here. MongoDB for the VS Code install. Okay, open Visual Studio Code and here come to the here. Click on the install button and it is installing. So the installation is completed. See here. MongoDB for VS Code. Get started. Watch the demo video if you want to have any idea. If you want to learn the VS Code, you can watch the video. Where is that video? Okay. Okay. Uh, add connection. First come to the here add connection. Come to the here there is a symbol called if. Come add connection. Connect here. If you want to connect the local DB, there is a connection string called Mongo column DB MongoDB B 127.20.0.127 slash connected. Come to the here. If you want to see, there is a database available. If you want to create the database from here add a database like this. See, database is there. Use database, create a new database. You can give here database called or leave it this one. Here give the database called. What is database? Can give contact manager app. I'm giving this database name. Collection name I'm giving that users. I'm giving collection name. After giving this, no need to save. You can save also, no problem, but directly come here, click on this play button. See here, run all and select from the play here. See, yes, confirm. Okay. If you want to see, contact manager app is created database. Come here, like this. You can also remove this one also. You can remove playground also. Come to the select the this one, click on the add collection. You can want to add the collection, you can add the collection also. Here I'm giving instead of that collection name here, I'm giving the new collection name called contacts. And after giving the collection name contacts, click on here play button and click on the S. Okay. For this, select this one and open again. Contacts are there. See. Yeah, okay. Playground result is okay. Close. If you want to insert the data, if you want to view the data, there is no data here available. If you want to insert the data, click on the contacts, insert document. See here. It is asking to, it is generating the code also. See, it is using the contact manager app. Use contact manager app, get collection, at collection contacts dot insert one here. Here give the name Prasad. Prasad Teki. Prasad Teki I am giving. Title or designation. Designation I am giving. Designation is given senior software I am giving, and designation I am giving senior software, and here number, mobile number I'm giving 8912556477. I'm giving like this number. One more is active, or you can give status also. Is active is true. Like this give, and after giving the some data, click on the S. See, object is data is inserted or document is inserted here. If you want to see the data, first close this. Close this playground also, and come click on the contacts and right click on the contacts and view data, view documents. See, one document is available. If you want to insert the bunch of documents, like bunch of documents means if you want to insert the two or more documents, see, click on the insert documents once again. First to close this playground, click on, I will show one video. Uh, right click on the contacts, insert documents here. See, here we have the insert one, but instead of here we can change here to insert many. Here give the, instead of this curly braces we can give the, sorry, I have saved like this, that's why it is coming here. Name Rahul. Title I have given designation. Okay, designation program manager. Okay, next mobile 08732418. Next is active, false. Next second document, name is Smith, designation software engineer. Mobile 78241670. And this is active, true. Give like this. After this, after the giving the two documents, here come to the play button, click on and click confirm. See, documents is inserted, document IDs, inserted IDs are like this, 0 and 1. If you want to see this, click on this, first cancel this one, close this one, and close, click on the contact, I click on the contact and view documents. See, three documents are generated. Three documents are generated. Sorry, three documents are retrieved from the collection, contacts collection. After this, if you want to update the any like instead of that is active in this ID, if you want to update this one, first copy this one, and I'm going to update is active instead of the false. I'm going to update this true. Text. Here come insert document. See here instead of the insert one, I'm going to give the update one. Update one. Here first I'm going to take the ID. First I'm going to filter. I filter the condition. Second one is dollar set of is active active. I'm giving true. So is active column true. If you see this background, just confirm you are able to disable the extension settings. Confirm this. Yes. See modified content collection contact matched count is one. Right. It is not updated. Once see this view documents false only there still. Update one. Hmm. Maybe the get contacts dot update one of ID column set here and view documents and take the name instead of the copy this and close this and come here. Okay, here click on. Okay, matched count is one. Okay, instead of the ID, I have taken the name. See here, instead of the ID, I have taken the other at fields. Name I have taken it matched. That is active is true. If you want to see this, view documents. See is change it to true. If you want to change, if you want to use the update the all the documents, see come here once again, remove this cancel. See instead of the update one, or you can close it and then new. So come here, okay, insert the document here and update many. First one is I'm giving here condition called is active, giving true, and second one dollars set of I'm going to add the new field to the all the like is active is goes to true. I'm adding here status. I'm going to add okay. Leave it with status approved. Status is approved. Okay. come here and click on the play. See, matched count is 3 and modified count is 3. Yes. Come to the contacts and click on the right click on the view documents. See, status upload is added. That new field is added. Status is upload. Status is upload. Like this. Close this one and close this one. If you want to delete the one, if you want to delete the one document, like see, instead of this, okay, remove this one first one. I'm not going to create. Instead of this, delete one name column Rahul name column Rahul. The play button, click on the play button, click on the S. See, deleted count is 1. If you want to delete the see, if you want to see the documents again, see like this. View documents like this. We are going to view. Here, if you want to drop the collection, see there is a users empty is there empty there. You see, this is the empty NP collection. You want to drop collection here. Are you sure you wish to drop this collection? If you want to, are you sure? Right? It is asking that enter the collection name users to confirm. Here, asking that users, asking the collection name users to confirm. Press the enter to confirm or escape to cancel. If you want to enter this, it is deleted. See. It is having the only one contacts only there that users are deleted. If you want to show me again, drop collection and see it is asking the collection name. Are you sure you wish to drop this collection? Enter the collection name contacts to confirm. Contacts. Press enter to confirm or escape to cancel. If you escape this cancel. If you want to delete again drop collection contacts like this, enter and enter. See, contacts is deleted. If you want to delete this delete this database entirely, drop database. See, it is asking that contact manager, are you sure you wish to drop this database? Enter the database name contacts manager app to confirm. Press enter to confirm or escape to cancel. contact manager Contact manager app. See, contact manager app is deleted like this. If you want to disconnect this, disconnect. If you want to connect this, connected. See, if you click on this one, it is connected. If you want to disconnect this, disconnect like this. We are going to use the like this. We are going to connect the MongoDB to VS Code. If you like my content, please like the video and subscribe my channel.